health and nutrition of our communities begins in the soil.
So there's going to be some entertainment, we're going to be having some refreshment.
You see, the green movement didn't start 20 years ago. The green movement has always been with us as a people because we are the green people. We are the people of the land. And therefore, understanding we are the people of the land, we understood that this word sustainability and conservation was an innate part of how we respected our environment.
There is really different definition of what organic is in Ghana, and it is important that those of us that understand what organic is should talk about it whenever we see things going wrong.
Soil is alive. Soil is not dead. Soil is not dust. Soil is not dirt. Those are all misnomers. Please, 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 never refer to the soil as dirt. Why is it alive? Because it has a lot of different microorganisms and different types of populations, earthworms and other living creatures that make up what is called the soil dynamic. It's a living entity. And why? Because it will create something in our bodies that will sustain our lives. We eat because the food has to have the nutrients to sustain the regenerative power of the body. That's why we eat. We eat to sustain and perpetuate the regenerative power of the body. And without the proper food intake, the proper nutrients, that regenerative power begins to wane and wean and wean.
Man has been endowed with a perfect reason, with a power to create within a perfect season, so that man can add to what he has been perfectly given. But up to now, let me ask you, has man ever been a perfect creator? Only a perfect destroyer. Forests keep disappearing, wildlife become extinct, climate ruins, rivers dry up, and the land grows poorer and uglier every day. What a shame, what a big shame. Do you know what is written in Genesis chapter 1 verse 28? Be fruitful and multiply, and replenish the earth, and subdue it, and have dominion over the fishes of the sea, the birds of the air, and over every living organism that creepeth upon the earth.